Hi everyone, welcome back to the first workout of Conquer Fitness. This workout will make you feel like a real fighter and test your stamina, power and focus. Let's start the fight. Simple workout, but this was not just a workout. This is a fight against your own limits. If you have completed this entire routine, remember one thing, you are already a fighter. Now prove it. Hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs the challenge and comment below, I'm a fighter. And if you are ready to become stronger, faster and more dangerous every week, then subscribe to Conquer Fitness. Because here, every week you will get a new superhero style workout that will push your body and your mind to the next level. Until next time, stay focused, stay strong, stay fearless and make yourself conquer.